Hello everyone. If you are selected for the interview, congratulations. You are at the final stage of your recruitment process. In recruitment process, the last stage is interview and the last stage of interview is the negotiation of your salary. All the interviewers will be asking a question. What are the salaries you are expecting? So this is the last question most of the time and you feel very happy. So I'm at the near to the recruitment process. I'm going to get the job. Control your nerves and answer this question very carefully. So never show your weakness also as if you are in needy of the job and without job you can't live. So this kind of neediness and over enthusiasm, this kind of things never show. Control your nerves and handle this question very carefully. So based on this question, you'll have the life. Your work life is going to start along with this. So I would like to give you a suggestion how to negotiate your salaries. In two ways I wanted to give. The first one is for the freshers. If you are a fresher, then your salary will be very carefully how to negotiate. At the same time, you are not supposed to miss the opportunity also. And when you are entering to the interview level and salary level you have gone means you are just near to the door of the heaven. Just knock it and get inside. Just be careful. So if you are a fresher, look at the company, which company you have gone and which company is offering you. So according to that, you talk. If the company is good, well established, reputed organization, in such cases, taking an entry into the organization is very important. In such cases, tell them very clearly, for me, learning the work culture, learning the skills and taking a platform in your reputed organization is important, and please pay the salary according to the norms, company norms we can say. So this is the best answer you can give it to the reputed company if you are a fresher. Means the ball is in the court of the recruiters. The recruiters will decide whatever they say, you should accept it. According to that you can go. Or otherwise, in second case, if you are a fresher, if you have offer letter of one or two companies, in such cases you can negotiate. Already you have offer letter of very good MNC company where they are paying you very good salary, but still you wanted to go for good company or you wanted to get smart amount. In such cases you are going to the other company. In such cases you can just bargain your salary. You can just negotiate your salary. How you can negotiate? Tell them that this is the expectations I am doing. And my skills, my abilities, my work and my strengths and all these things are like this. I am expecting a salary of some amount. What is your previous salary? Based on that you talk. If your previous salary, previous offer letter salary is suppose at 20,000, you can expect 10% more than that or 20% more than that you can expect. So 25 or 30 you can say, but always say a word negotiable. That would sounds better, and interviewer also will think that whether you are comfortable or not, but show your enthusiasm and interest of work wise. And this is for the freshers. And second thing is for the experienced candidates. If you have work experience, in such cases please be careful. What is your work experience? What are your capabilities? What are your qualifications? And in which areas you are more strong? These areas focus and speak to them. Then after that come to the negotiation of the salary. So when you negotiate the salary, don't give directly amount. I am expecting 50,000. I want salary of 55,000. Like this figure you should not give. Don't tell the amount directly. You can negotiate in another way. Like you can mention that presently I am drawing so and so salary. My last drawn salary is so and so. And I am expecting 10% or 20%. Mention it in percentage wise. I am expecting 20% than the present salary. In that way you can speak. That sounds a corporate culture. In that way you can speak. And be careful. And when you talk about the salary, you should not quote much salary. See the company norms of other companies and how is the market and what kind of salary is paying by the other companies or same company according to your qualification and experience. According to whatever they are paying, according to that you have to quote reasonable amount. Reasonable amount. If you are quoting a much salary, definitely the offer you are not going to get. You are going to miss the opportunity. So that is why your salary should be very clear and it should be reasonable, and study the market and portray all your skills and experience, then quote the salary and never say the direct amount. And after that always you have to say the word of negotiable. So in this way you have to speak. First of all, very important thing when you have come to the salary level, negotiation level means your aim and ambition should be take the offer letter. Whatever you want to do, you do it, but anyway you should not miss the opportunity letter. So that offer letter you take it, then after that you decide whether which company wanted to join. Whether the company is good or not, and see all the norms and conditions, then you decide whether where do you want to join. Keep always 4 to 5 offer letters, and then you decide where I wanted to go. So that gives you the confidence. And I'll tell you one thing, if you want to get the job, if you want to get success in your career, first of all, 3 C's are important. One is content, communication, and then confidence. If these 3 C's are there with you, go with a thorough preparation, talk confidently, never plead, talk very confidently, show your skills, and then just go ahead. Success will be yours. If you have any kind of clarities, please do mention. I'll give you every answer, and wish you all the best. Take care of your career. Good luck.